Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Dogecoin decision. Yes, what is Dogecoin going to do from here? And what are you going to do about it? Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 o'clock p.m. East Coast time. Sometimes I throw in an extra live stream as well, so you want to be sure you have your notifications on, and you hit that little arrow, down arrow, and hit all so you can be sure that you're receiving all notifications from me, because some of you, I hear, I didn't get notified you're going live. Well, got to have those notifications on. What's Dogecoin doing? Well, we got a lot to cover in the charts and the news, so I'll show you what I'm looking at. So we'll start by looking at the Dogecoin chart right now, and it's struggling to stay above 18 cents right now. Right now, 17.93 as Doge is kind of moving up and down. Bitcoin struggling to stay above 66,000 as it is also moving up and down. We'll talk about this yellow line in a minute. I've had this yellow line on my chart for quite some time. Of course, there's the blue line and the purple box. We'll show all those in just a minute. Overall, what's happening in the markets? Look like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin dip amid high selling pressure. I'll show you what that is. And what some people think is going to be the crucial area for Bitcoin, and we need to see Bitcoin rally at least back to 69K, which is its 2021 all-time high, to get back into sort of that bigger upward movement that we already saw with Bitcoin. But there is profit taking that does happen. People do that. When Bitcoin got up to 72, 73K, we saw that. And the rest of the crypto market pretty much followed that. Kathy Wood's ARK Bitcoin ETF post record $87 million outflow. It's like, wait, this is one of those new spot ETFs. It just started in January and people are already selling? Well, yeah, maybe, because they saw Bitcoin go up and then take a little breakdown, and there is going to be ETF trading. People trade ETFs on exchanges, and if there's a lot of selling going on, then ARK, in this case, needs to then sell the corresponding Bitcoin that is the reserve of what's being traded on the ETF. So we saw that. And that's going to happen. That's part of the thing about everyone's going to just keep buying ETFs and the price is only going to go up. Nope. That's not what's happening. So we'll continue to watch that. Bitcoin drops 5%. Corrections are normal. This happens in the markets, and buy the Bitcoin dip. So, well, what do I do about it? Well, I bought the Dogecoin dip. That's right. So last night, I posted here on X Twitter. Follow me at ChrisPax, and 17.5 cent Dogecoin order filled, buying the dips. Yes, so that's what I did last night. I had my limit order set at 17.5 cents. And Dogecoin dropped down and picked up my order. If I zoom out to the 4-hour chart, you will see where that came from, and that was back here, March 25th, March 26th, where Doge had, previously that was resistance. Doge traded up above 17.5 cents, came back and retested twice retested 17.5 cents before moving up over 20 cents. So, yeah, this is the purple box. We'll be talking about that once Doge gets back up there. But again, that 17.5 cent line is also the 0.618 in our Fibonacci. So this is our Fibonacci chart. We're keeping that. That is still in play. And last night we saw Doge drop down to that level. So that is where I had my limit order set to buy. So I bought the dip. Now, could Dogecoin come along here and drop down even further than 17.5? It could, but the setup of the chart looked to me as if that was the buying opportunity, and so I bought. 17.5 cents, that's probably the most I've ever paid for some Dogecoin. because I was buying much more at a much lower price back in 2021 when Dogecoin was real high. I wasn't buying Dogecoin at that time. So I raised my average a little bit, but that's okay because I think Dogecoin is going higher. Dogecoin. Bullish signals suggest a repeat of history. And this is what we look back at. Because what happened not only 2017 into early 2018, but also 2021, twice in Dogecoin's history, we've had huge runs, and this could be the third huge run coming up. So the trading volumes show active addresses, a surge of interest with Doge, and I'm thinking that Doge is going to go on this big rally soon. To the moon? Well, the moon is whatever you call it. But again, we have looked at Ali's charts here, where twice before, actually before that, this is the 2021 chart. He had a previous chart that showed the run in 2017. So this is the third triangle wedge that Doge has just broken out of, which could lead to this massive run up over $1, even to $2, $4, even $5 or more, depending on how bullish you want to be. That is the potential that Dogecoin has. And we'll talk in the live stream about what those catalysts are, try to update on as many of those as possible on what is going on around Dogecoin. We'll be covering that in the live stream on Wednesday. And then how to be a millionaire if Doge hits $1. Well, that's easy, right? You have to own 1 million Dogecoin, right? If you have 1 million Dogecoin and Dogecoin hits $1, you're a millionaire. It's as easy as that. So I know 1 million is a lot of Dogecoin for a lot of you, but I know some of you have been DCAing and have been accumulating. And I know some of you even have a lot more than that. But I was able to add to my stash last night. So I feel good about that. Again, we could see Dogecoin come along and drop here. But this chart, though, just looks like it is all set up for a reversal and a move up. This is a typical trading chart that you see. Dogecoin moved up very quickly and was hot up here at 22.7 cents. So sell-off came up with kind of a bullish rally here that faded very quickly at 22.2 cents. I was envisioning that we could even see Dogecoin then move up even higher from there, but it didn't. It turned the other way. But again, that was because Bitcoin had this big dump. So that Bitcoin big dump that we saw on April Fool's Day faked me out, and the rest of the crypto market followed. So that's what we've got overall on the charts. Again, in the live stream, we'll catch up on some of the other news that's happening, what's happening with Doge One, what's happening with X Twitter, Tesla, other things related to Doge. We'll cover all of that as well. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? What is the decision that is coming for Dogecoin, and what are you doing about it? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.